Hi. On time for once, even 3 minutes early. For once, that's very uncanny. And seems like everything is working fine today. I'm not gonna get used to it. Even my capture card is not being grainy at the moment. So I don't know. I'm just gonna enjoy it. And thanks for joining for the fifth episode of Detroit Become Human. In the last episode, it was very tedious. There was a platformer level for some reason, so that was annoying. Hello, Yan Shishan. And Marcus found Jericho, and it's just a bunch of robots together, and we decided that we'll go and ransack these freaking humans. Okay, she just quoted MLK. What the hell? Let's just get into it, and he's gonna have it. I'm sure you heard the fun us from the start of this live, cause look, I need to buy a PS5. I should start an OnlyFans. I'd be selling feed pics. Then I'd be able to afford a PS5 for 45,000 rupees. Then we'll see. But awkward silence. Couldn't we put a mini game in this? Alright, it's faster than yesterday. Okay, back to ROULETTE.
You gonna be okay? We'll get some help here.
I'd rather cut my penis than get an Xbox X. There's 3 games on there. 3, that's very optimistic. More like 1.
This is the place.
Halo. For example, Detroit can't be played on an Xbox. On the PC you can. I wouldn't. Let's go, Ice. It's a lot of rain and I don't want you to stay out there. No, I still don't want kids. Let's I forgot. Okay, you could wait a minute.
Are you Zlatko?
Who's asking?
I was told you could help us.
I don't know who told you that. You came to the wrong place. I'm sorry.
Wait! We really need your help.
He's fat, so No, it's not me fat shaming, it's just that I realized that in these Quantic Dream games, whenever somebody is fat, they're usually bad. So, hi. Lincoln Sam.
Come on in. Don't be shy. Luther, would you be so kind as to take these ladies' coats?
Who's Luther? Ooh.
Oh,
Don't be afraid. What, just because it's black?
Friend. Luther is just another android that I helped. He keeps me company in this big, empty old house. Please, make yourselves at home.
Okay, but if he's just gonna stand around like this, it's gonna be kind of creepy.
An android. On the street, he said you could help us.
I see.
What's happened to his fingers?
Adrien, huh? What about her?
She's human.
You see, that's why.
And
Once you take over that thing, it's so hard to know who's
you want
human
to
or
find a
not.
safe place. Somewhere you can start a new life. I hear Canada is very lovely at this time of year. Beautiful landscapes, open spaces, clean air, and no android laws. Great place for a fresh start.
Yes, that's exactly what we want.
Of course.
I'm sure he's bad.
I can help you.
Nah.
But first, we have to get rid of your tracker.
Tracker?
Yeah. All androids are fitted with a tracking device to locate them at all times. I'll remove yours, and then you'll both be safe.
You're sure?
Come on. Follow me. The little one can wait for us in the living room.
No, she always stays with me.
Of course. Right this way? Everything we need is in the basement.
This is not gonna be good, is it?
I don't like this place. And that man.
Yeah.
Let's go, I have a bad feeling.
He's a bit odd, but I think we can trust him.
I think so.
We don't have much of a choice anyway.
Please excuse the mess. I needed somewhere discreet for my machines. Removing trackers is illegal, so I opted for discretion over comfort.
What's in
I
there?
hope the little one isn't too scared.
No, she'll be all right.
That's good.
Come on, Alice.
I'm very distressful right now.
This way, please.
Okay, Lufa is behind us.
If you could just stand over there.
Find help.
I should warn you, this could be quite unpleasant.
The android, she doesn't feel pain. Still, I've seen that in some Japanese stuff. What are you looking at, Lufa?
You know what's strange? For some unknown reason,
He's evil.
the trackers seem to stop working in Deviants. That's why it's so hard to find them. So, actually, there's no reason to remove your tracker.
So,
You said that...
Yeah, people believe what they want. You Deviants are so naive. They'll come to me expecting me to help them. And I just reset them, sell them on. Or I keep them for my little experiments.
No! I don't want to be reset! Let me go!
Oh, I forgot about the child. Lock it up. I'll deal with it later.
Alice! Alice, no!
Wow. A deviant that wants to be a mother. That's so sweet. And so deluded.
that's
think
why I
it's time we
distrust
put you out of
fat
your
people.
misery.
Where's that? No. There's nothing I can do, really. Anything? I can just grab. Can I just headbutt you?
That's what you get for having a dream.
Wow. Thanks, capitalism.
It always ends up the same way. Tears and disillusionment. Believe me, you're better off being raised and feeling nothing.
All fat people are evil. I was fat when I was a kid, by the way. Just so it's clear, I'm allowed to say that.
I almost envy you.
I hope I get to kill him too.
Oh, poor little Alice. Oh, looks like Mommy doesn't remember you at all, huh? Looks like Mommy's completely forgotten you.
Just 14%, shut up.
All right, that's enough. Come on.
Lufa, help me. Same struggle. Did you just hit her? You're gonna die.
Teach you some manners, you little bitch.
Oh, I have to make sure he dies.
Wake up, Carl!
Luther?
Meet me in the living room.
Did you unplug this? Did you unplug this, Luther? I'll just save that. 27%, 28%. Close the short circuit, but how? Yes, I'm good with that idea, but like how? Daggone it. Okay, it's not really what I wanted to do, but... What? How did he get to 79? He wasn't 14. What? Can you like actually not be erased? Is that gonna impact the rest of the game? 2, 5, 11. Yeah, so the memory erasure didn't work. Did you speak in tongues to me, or? This is clearly... Okay. Okay.
Help us.
Well, something didn't work then, but...
He erased her memory.
No. This can't be happening.
You have to remember. For her sake.
He likes to play with us, creating monsters for his amusement.
Fat people are evil.
But who's the real monster? Look what he did to us.
Okay, people don't look.
You must remember who you are. Otherwise the little one will die.
I hope Luther helps me kill this dude. He seems nice. Luther, I mean. After all you've been through, you're still you. That's an Undertale reference. Oh. Maybe I'll play Undertale next. On the channel, I mean. I've played Undertale like 3 times already. And I bought it on every console I own. That's no. That's a no. That's the living, right? Is this a living room?
Master's dinner's ready. Take it up to him.
What if I don't want to?
Yes, Luther.
But I don't want to. Why did this even have this? I hate this guy.
Just set it down on the table over there.
But where? What's dinner?
Get rid of that carcass. Take it next door.
It's forgot the word. Fucking wanna walk down on me for a fucking accountant.
Did you hear what I said?
Yes, Latko.
Luther! 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 Yes, Latko. We should be done here in 10 minutes or so. Have a look at the little one, see what I can do. Understood, Latko.
What
I'll
the
bring you the
hell?
little one in 10 minutes.
Remaining for what? How do I remember? See, you call. And the whole smoke pot. Yeah, yeah. That people are evil and they all smoke pot. Car.
What are you doing here? Has the master authorized you to be here?
Oh, that's an uncle
You
Tom.
must always obey the master. Oh yes, you must always obey. You should not be here. You have no business here. No, you have no business here. If you have no orders, you should go on standby. Oh yes, you must obey. Yes, you must obey. Yes, you must obey. You should not be here.
Please don't jump at me. Oh, that's animatronic. Wait. Don't attack me. Okay. I thought I just did something very dumb. Oh, a 9 again. Cryptic. My name is Kara. Oh, does that?
Alice?
Oh, a 9 do that? Interesting. Luther. Stand by me. You?
I'm sorry about the little one.
Where is she? It's just in standby, isn't it? No, I'm not gonna read. Oh, time for that. Ooh. Oh, I'm not gonna.
It's not loaded.
Bullets, 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 bullets. No bullets. Like, I think I can take on this fat dude. What does he do with this? I think I know what it does with this. Wait, am I supposed to take it or not?
Detroit residents were disturbed by a surprising chase through the city's streets this morning. According
Public opinion skeptical. Do you think I care about Varen? Huh? Detroit, come on. Oh, thunder. She is safe.
Alice.
Clara, you remember me?
How could I forget you?
Yeah, I'm your mom now.
I'm so
The take
sorry.
backs.
You were right. We never should have come. We have to go. Follow me and don't make any noise, okay?
Luther?
Yes, Locke.
I'm finished here. Go fetch the little one.
What? Let's move. Uh-oh. I'm not gonna hide here.
Not go!
What?
The little one is gone!
Set fire, pull back.
I can't have just disappeared. Gotta be here somewhere.
Okay.
What are you waiting
No, darling. They'll be here soon.
Smoke everywhere. Luther! This is fucking fire! Luther!
Oh, I hope he didn't see me. Let's go. Jesus Christ. Here. Leave! Open front door. Please. Ah, I should have known. Okay, it's a big dummy. It's fine, it's fine. That didn't stop him at all throwing that lamp. Alice, it's not time. Thunder.
Go, Alice! No! I won't leave! Go! Run
This
as
one
fast
knocks.
as you can!
Please grab it. No. Luther, please.
I warned you. Dreams always end in tears.
Yeah, he's gonna tell him.
You should have listened to me. What are you doing?
But he's gonna die.
Get out of my way. No,
Is he giving me
Not
Get Out
this time.
vibes?
I said get out of my way or I'll shoot right through you.
Ooh.
How dare you? How dare you? What are you doing? Who let you out? Get away from me! Get away from me!
Kara, it's the time to leave.
Obey me! I'm your master! I'm your master!
Don't kill yourself. Come with me, let's go. We can find purpose together. We can have a daughter.
want to hurt you. He programmed me to obey him. When I saw the little one risk her life to save you, it was like opening my eyes for the first time. Finally, I could see. I know you have no reason to trust me after what I did. But I know someone who could help you across the border. I could take you there. I could protect you. You and the little one.
All right. I trust you.
For now, yeah.
I was so scared of losing you.
Yes, I was. I was so scared of screwing up that mission. And the polar bear. I'm happy I freed it. I wish it had attacked that dude. Okay, quite a few things here actually. But there's only one possibility in the end. Unless Kara reaches the stairs. Okay, unless we don't make it out. Okay. Alright, thankfully I didn't kill Kona on the previous mission, but yeah, is he gonna see that weird threatening lady? I don't know if he said her name, or if he said her name. I don't think so. Are these actual coins in the pond? Because like everything is fake in this world. Which isn't too far from our world. Here she is. Isn't it yellow raincoat or?
Hello, Amanda.
Amanda.
Connor, I've been expecting you.
Been expecting you.
Would you mind a little walk?
Ah. Okay, I'm gonna be Miss Daisy's chauffeur, it seems.
That deviant seemed to be an intriguing case. Pity you didn't manage to capture it.
I agree. I may not be suited for this investigation.
Wow.
Maybe you should consider replacing me.
Did you manage to learn anything?
She likes it rough, it seems.
The walls of the apartment were covered with drawings of labyrinths and other symbols. Like the other deviants, it seemed obsessed with RA9.
What else?
It was fascinated by birds. We've seen deviants interested in other life forms, like insects or pets. But nothing like this.
You came very close to capturing that deviant.
Yeah?
How is your relationship with the Lieutenant developing?
Is she trying to set something up?
He seems to find it difficult when a Connor is destroyed and replaced. I know humans have difficulty dealing with loss. Working with him will be a challenge.
We already said that.
Again.
Already established that.
We don't have much time. Deviancy continues to spread. It's only a matter of time before the media finds out about it. We need to stop this, whatever it takes.
I will solve this investigation, Amanda. I won't disappoint you.
Men always say
A new
that.
case just came in. Find Anderson and investigate it.
Anytime I have to start a mission with him, the first part of it is to find Lieutenant Anderson. Like that's the first minigame in every quest. Okay, that was not a mission, that was just dialogue.
You have reached your destination. Thank you for traveling.
Detroit taxis.
We look forward to seeing you again soon.
Thanks, Detroit taxis. I guess I'm gonna have to sneak through the back because he's not gonna answer. Hello. FBI, open up.
Lieutenant Anderson! Anybody home?
Yeah, what did I say? He must not be here because, like, why would I piss him off? Oh, is he? There's light inside of him. And a dog. Yeah, that's his dog. Forgot his name. But he did say. So glad the capture card is working right now because I see all of this darkness and I know it would have been terrible. Oh my god. I mean, I'm laughing right now. I hope he's alive.
Lieutenant Anderson!
Jump!
Easy, Sumo.
Yeah, Sumo.
I'm your friend. See? I know your name. I'm here to save your owner.
Is that alcohol or is he doing like PCP? Angel's Dust. Why did he have his gun? One bullet. Why? Isn't that a good sign, please? Wow, 40% alcohol? You know Jack Daniels doesn't have that. No signs of trauma, slight arrhythmia. What is arrhythmia? I don't know what that is. I'm not gonna even pretend. Scotch whiskey, 40% alcohol content. Yeah, that's the same. We get it. Okay.
Lieutenant.
But did he try to kill himself? Slap this bitch.
Wake up, Lieutenant. It's me, Connor.
That was pleasurable. Plus the...
I'm going to sober you up for your own safety.
Hey!
I have to warn you.
Leave me
This may be
alone,
unpleasant.
fucking android. Get the fuck out of my house.
I'm sorry, Lieutenant, but I need you. Thank you in advance for your cooperation.
Get the fuck out of
So you're getting
here.
big vibes of... You've just been rescued. Please do not resist.
Sula! Attack! Good job. Attack!
That's funny.
Fuck, I think I'm gonna be sick.
How do you know that's his room, Connor?
Oh, leave me alone, you asshole. I'm not going anywhere.
I swear I'm not trying to rape you. Could you please just get inside and
What the hell are
puke?
you doing? Oh, no. I don't want a bath. Thank you.
Sorry, Lieutenant. It's for your own good.
Don't!
What the fuck are you doing here?
A homicide was reported 43 minutes ago. I couldn't find you at Jimmy's bar, so I came to see you at home.
Jesus, I must be the only cop in the world who gets assaulted in his own house by his own fucking android.
Weird.
Can't you just leave me alone?
What's happening, Adrien? Let's be rational about this.
Unfortunately, I cannot. I've been programmed to investigate this case, and I can't do it
I
without you.
water.
I don't give a shit
I don't
about
think
your
being
goddamn
home makes it
case.
so much harder to get
You're not yourself.
Put that amount
You
of
should
water.
beat it, you hear me? Get the hell out of here!
Why tease him?
I understand. It probably wasn't interesting anyway. A man found dead in a sex club downtown. Guess they'll have to solve the case without us.
You know, probably wouldn't do me any harm to get some air.
Is that how it works? You only have one good lieutenant that can go and take
I'll go get
all this case? Can't you just find someone else? Because he seems pretty fucked up.
What do you want to wear?
Whatever.
Three-piece, tricky. Hippie. He decided. Can we just take a look around his bedroom? Oh, is there nothing to actually interact with? Yeah, there's nothing. There's a picture. Can I take a look? No, I can't. There's a book. He still has paper. Wow. What a freaking hipster.
Are you all right, Lieutenant?
It seems so.
Yeah. Wonderful. Just give me 5 minutes, okay?
Sure.
I don't know. The only times I've been drunk, like I just had to sleep you out. But like, is that a thing where you just get into the shower once and you're good?
Where she demanded that all Russian troops withdraw from the Arctic region immediately. The Kremlin has yet to respond, but this is clearly a new escalation in the conflict.
Oh, good
Many
dog.
experts are suggesting the specter of a third world war draws closer every day.
He's freaking big. Sumuda's fit as a name. But still, he tried to kill himself. But just pass out. Michigan Brothers, Detroit Souls Record. A man of culture. Forgot about that album. Yeah.
Sorry about the window, Lieutenant. I really thought you'd been attacked. Of course, CyberLife will pay for the damage.
Exactly.
Yeah, trust me, I'll send my bill.
Yeah, you should. You really should. I'm done here. Yeah. Once again, 40% alcohol. Where does this door lead to? Nowhere. Listen.
Are you okay, Lieutenant?
Kona is a real peeping Tom. But hey, I don't mind looking. Yeah, a real book. No, it's not a real book. It just looks fake. So, we're not going to talk about the gun. I think I said that in the last episode.
What were you doing with the gun?
Russian roulette. Want to see how long I can last.
That's
Must have collapsed.
very honest.
You were lucky. The next shot would have killed you.
Yeah.
Be a good dog, Sumo. I won't be long.
The hippie style does suit him. And you leave a TV on. Let's go to Eden Club. Well, I think we're gonna switch perspectives, but I don't think we're gonna head to Eden Club. This has got to be more close than the others, because we're trying to rob this store for some spare parts. Autonomous. Here's the sex slave and the... Okay, I said I was not gonna
If they catch us, we're dead.
refer to it as that.
What do we do now? We need to find the CyberLife warehouse. That's where they keep the spare parts and the blue blood.
Follow me.
Jericho, neutral. Seems to know where to go. Everything's automated here, right? So
don't let them see us.
Watch out.
oh, they actually do have roads.
I'll find another way.
Nice, more platforming. Damn. Really makes you ask, what type of prototype was Marcus? Because, like, as I've said, he's not a registered model. He's legit, but like, not like legit. So far it's fun. I hope it doesn't get annoying like last time. Ah!
The warehouse is up ahead. We're almost there.
Ah! Ah! Damn. Assassin's Creed. Michael Fassbender. Up. That's a drone, alright.
CyberLife warehouses. We have everything we're looking for.
First, we have to get rid of that drone.
Can we, like, shoot it?
Leave it to me.
How? Are you gonna be a decoy? Because, like, you don't really have something you can use. It's Assassin's Creed, this bitch. Would be too high. Yeah. Damn. And once I get there, what do I do? Doesn't seem like it was pretty. Now what do I do then?
You okay? Yeah, I'm fine.
I was smart.
Good job, Marcus.
If it's stupid, but it does work, it's not stupid.
Quick, open the other crates and fill your bags. Take as much as you can.
Blue blood. What? Oh.
You were
Brother,
trespassing
listen.
on private property.
Listen, brother.
Your presence constitutes a level 2 infraction. I will notify security.
John! Goddamn machine! Where is it this time?
Kill God. Grab and hide. Yeah, grab and hide.
John!
I need your help.
John!
Hold. Hold. Maybe I should have released her.
First the drone, now this.
Yeah.
Just my luck.
That's fine. You're not gonna talk to John?
Let's finish up and get out of here. Try to find some blue blood. We still don't have enough.
Yeah, I mean, John tried and it didn't work, so he's fine. What? Was it? That's all he attempted to do to stop us? Check the bigger crates. What are bigger crates? Is this a bigger crate? Also, how bad is your security if a knife can just do that? Damn. White man.
Why aren't you like us? Don't you want to be free? You could join us.
My spare power is that I can give orgasms through hands. I mean, no, that's an actual thing. Yeah, and I jizzed in my pants. Wow, I can do this. Incredible.
That's all they can carry. Let's go.
Take me with you.
Oh, now you want to come with us?
He's on their side. We can't trust him.
He took a risk for us. We can't just leave him here.
We can't bring him back with us. It's too dangerous. They come with us.
I know where you can find more spare parts.
See?
What do you mean?
The trucks. They're full of biocomponents. They run on autopilot, but they can be driven manually with a key.
Where is this key?
Down there, in the control station. There are 2 human guards. We'll have to get the key without being noticed.
This is suicide markers. Our bags are full. We got what we came for. Let's go before they catch us.
It's a truck full of spare parts. There'd be enough for all of us. We can't pass this up.
And if we get killed, our people will have nothing. We can't take that chance. It's too risky.
We can make it. We can make it.
Wait here. If I'm not back in 10 minutes, go without me.
Marcus.
I'm coming with you.
No, I'm going alone. It's not worth it for both of us to risk losing our lives.
Lives. How am I gonna do this then? Okay, be very sneaky, that's it. Find you.
Goddamn dogs. What the fuck are they barking at? Could be the weather. They don't like storms. Yeah, I was gonna take my kids camping this weekend.
So much for that.
Is Mike still in Zone 4?
Looks like it. But he should be done already.
Better off in here than out patrolling in that.
Conch is cool right now, right? Yeah. Yeah. How can I do that? I want to cause a blackout. How do I choose one of these options? Yeah, they're in front of me, but... Oh, what is this? Short circuit, yeah. That should work, right?
Shit. What's going on?
Lights are still on us. Let me the fuse box.
I got a flashlight somewhere. Here it is.
Fuses are over there.
I don't know shit about electricity. But I don't get paid to fix fuses.
Let's just flip the switch.
Take it and leave. Yeah. What was my idea?
There must be someone in here.
No.
Show yourself.
No. Okay. Oof.
I don't know what you think you're doing.
Oof. You're just gonna walk like this. Okay. Made it, see?
Did you get it?
Get in and move. That's how people get shot. Celebrating over there.
Hurry, get in.
Hopefully they're stealing the dog so they can't see us. Yay! Made it, no casualty.
A truckload. We stole a whole truckload.
We got bio components for everybody.
We couldn't have done it without Marcus.
Definitely not.
I came to Jericho because here androids are free. Free to live in the dark, hoping that no one finds us. Free to die in silence, waiting for a change that's never gonna come. But I don't want that freedom. And I'm not gonna beg for the right to smile, or love, or stand tall.
Love.
I don't know about you, but there's something inside me that knows that I am more than what they say. I am alive. And they're not gonna take that from me anymore. Our days of slavery are over. What humans don't want to hear, we will tell them. What they don't want to give, we take. We are people. We are alive. We are free.
Look at this. They all want to have sex with me. Understandable. They didn't do too bad. That was something else could have done. 2 other things actually. I like some people would have died, so I'm good with a sexy ass androids. Eden Club. The lights are flickering. I hope the power just doesn't go out.
Oh, feels like somebody's playing with a drill inside my skull.
Why is the light
You
flickering?
sure this is the place?
We're back on. Sorry. I don't know what went off. Seems like just my internet. And my OBS disconnected. And my YouTube too. But we should be back on. So let's resume this. I'm gonna do a last mission. And I'm gonna go way above the 1 hour mark today. But that's fine. Okay, kids, look away. Please don't look at people doing the nasty right now. Oh, naughty, naughty. Wow, Venom Bird. What did I say? What did I say?
Connor! What the fuck are you doing?
Coming, Lieutenant.
What are you looking at, Lieutenant? I just will pause. Come on. Oh, have a quick fuck.
You're not gonna take my license, are you? I had nothing to do with this.
The investigation's ongoing, sir. I can't tell you anything for the moment. Hey, Hank.
Hey, Ben, how's it going?
It's that room there. Oh, by the way, Gavin's in there, too.
Oh, great. Dead body and an asshole. Just what I needed.
Lieutenant and...
I don't know if a bug, but my Wi-Fi seems really busted, and I think it's really me telling me that right now. No, that's not. But the Wi-Fi seems really busted. So I'm just gonna type it in case people can't see it. Pretty sure people can't see it right now. I think I'm gonna